Alright, so hello guys and welcome back to another of our courses. In today's class we are gonna talk about some tricks that you can use to stay safe on the deep web. So you're gonna see the tricks that I'm gonna give you are very simple. We talked about them in our other classes. It's absolutely the same things that you can use on the surface web, honestly. So the first one will be not clicking on the links. So for you guys, most of you will be beginners when you go on a forum, because that's one of the things that everybody will do when they start out on deep web. They go on forums, they go on different social networks, and you'll see there is a lot of people that will post links. The last thing that you guys want to do is click on those links, because well, you never know where those links can take you. So once again, the first thing you want to do is never click on links. You can start out your deep web journey, as we saw, by going on Hidden Wiki, which is an amazing place. You have links. Those links, for the majority of them, are sure, well, are very well. They're safe for the majority of them. So those are links that you can use. You can find out other links. The more you're gonna be on the deep web, the more you're gonna meet people. You will, you'll get to know more places. But once again, just don't start clicking on every link that you find on the deep web, because it's gonna end up very badly for your computer. Second thing, don't visit sites that you don't know. It's exactly the same thing as we talked about at the first one, so do not click on links. Third thing, don't trust people on forums. So the majority of forums, well, once again, you have forums where they talk about ethical hacking. You have forum where it's more trustful, but in the majority of forums, don't trust people everywhere. It's like it's the same thing as on the surface web. If you start trusting everyone that says I can make you $1 million, well, guess what? You're gonna get scammed. So don't trust people on forums. Don't follow no one on those forums. You can go there to try to learn new stuff, but if people starts to put links and all this kind of stuff, don't click on them. Besides of that, on your Tor browser, stay on the safest level. So when you're browsing on the darknet, stay on the safest level, because you don't want no one to get access to your computer. And not only this, when you're staying on the safest level, well, people will not attack you with phishing attacks, and also pictures will not show up. So you'll stay really safe from absolutely everything. And last thing, do not enter your informations anywhere. So once again, that's the most important of all those. Your information is very precious. Your bank information, your social number, or all this type of information, don't put it anywhere. Even if you think you found a job somewhere on the deep web, well, don't put your information, because once again, that's the best way for them to just hack your information and sell your identity on some other website that resells identities. So once again, guys, stay safe. For the rest, as we saw in our first classes, how to set up our Tor browser. So set it up on the max level of safety. Not only this, don't forget to check all the buttons on your Tor browser, as we saw in the first course. So this way, no one will access your camera, your monitor, and well, nothing. And you don't want to let no one. Don't go on social websites on the deep web where you can FaceTime with people or talk by camera with people, because once again, you never know with who you're gonna talk, and those websites are in the majority of times not secure, and it's just a way for you guys to just steal money from you or just hack your computer. So that's it for this course, guys, and see you all in our next class, where we all are gonna talk about the course summary.